And they're on away. We've got Warlock. Didn't waste time at the start of the race, and so was Life is a Bounty, who's racing in the middle. Then down on the inside is Akina Gigiliwan. About 6 lengths back in 4th times I Love Henry, and Heaven is running at the tail of the field inside the last 800. 3 runners in a battle royale. In the middle we have Life is a Bounty, Warlock 3 wide. Down on the inside Kina Gigiliwan is still 3 entries, keep on fighting it out for the lead. Life is a Bounty this time moves up by about 2 lengths. Kina Gigiliwan in second, alongside is a Warlock, and a long way back to I Love Henry and Heaven. This time we have Life is a Bounty, well clear in front, leads by about 4 lengths as they race the final corner. Life is a Bounty by about 4 lengths, and in second we have a Warlock, then Kina Gigiliwan shuffle back in third. Down the stretch they come, and it's still Life is a Bounty. I see no danger on this one, and nearing the finish line it's Life is a Bounty. Second is Warlock. Third, Kina Gigiliwan, I Love Henry, and Heaven.